I was sent Philosophers, and I gotta say, I wasn't expecting to like it as much as I do. I'm not really a cat person. My kids, though, love cats. So right when I showed them this book, they were just going nuts and laughing at the cats. My girls are 5 and 7 years old, so they were getting a kick out of it, and I was too. Everything is AI. And the images are absolutely hysterical. Did it to the right time period and also even used breeds of cats that would have existed during that time period. We agreed that this was one ugly cat. And this one was cracking us all up because it looks genuinely like a human with a cat head and arms. So good. Okay, but really the content is what makes this book incredible. So this first one is actually one of my favorites. I really liked the philosophy, and I don't know a lot about these philosophers, so it's really interesting to read it and then realize I want to look more into each of these. This is talking about how to live life with ease, like a cat adjusting to its position to maintain balance, learn to be flexible and resilient in the face of adversity. So I just love how it connects it to cats, but it's also the real lessons from the philosophers. And they're all so different. So this one, he's completely opposite. His whole thing is that life is hard and life is suffering. Just as a mouse may scurry away at the last moment, leaving us frustrated and hungry, so too may your plans and hopes be dashed by the whims of fate. Whether you're a cat person, just really into philosophy, or you're just really interested in AI, I think you're gonna like this book. C.B. Daniels does a really good job explaining what brought him to even write this book in the first place, his thoughts on AI as well, which I think is really interesting. He even says he couldn't have written this book without AI. So I love just the complexity of it all, the humor of it. You're definitely going to laugh, and you're also going to learn something. And his goal is to get you just more interested in the philosophers. And I can say he achieved his goal because after reading about half of this book so far, I definitely have quite a few I want to be looking up more information on. This is great, especially a great book to gift someone who loves cats. I think they'll get a kick out of it. And if that's you, I think you're going to love it too.